Hello everyone, and welcome back. We're going to run out here in the workshop. My dad's going to do another pour over the top of that desk, and I happen to be here, so I thought I would get this on film.
I got him mix it 2 minutes yet. One good thing, this is warmer than the other times, and so very many bubbles.
Oh, really?
And it even says on the instructions.
Oh, it does. Huh.
Which is good.
How long do you have after you get it all mixed up before it starts setting up? Like once you start?
You got 10 minutes.
Oh, you do?
The other one never gets that hot.
So you had to mix the first one 6 minutes and now the second one 6 minutes?
See how the bubbles just...
Oh yeah, it just pulls it right out.
One good thing, it isn't flammable either. What the hell? It wouldn't have boom.
You're right. Oh, there's none back in here.
It's today just like this here. What do or something?
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Boy, that's really good to know. If you remember, I heated up everything. Yeah, it's setting up fast. Which that's the first. I had it sitting by that stove.
Well, since I'm staying overnight tonight at the hobby farmhouse, I told my dad I'd come out, this is 4 hours later since he left, and load up the wood stove, and I'll do it again right now at 6 o'clock at night. I'll do it again at 10 o'clock, and then come out here in the morning, I suppose, I don't know, 5 or 5:30, and put some wood in there again so it'll stay warm in here all night. It turned out really good. There's just a couple of little air bubbles that came up. When he left, he said, "Oh, I just hope it stays like this." And it really pretty much has. It turned out real nice. It said you had to wait 4 hours for it to be dust free, but I still kind of tiptoeing around. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'll do another video coming up here, I'm sure, within the next week. It's all coming together now. I will see you guys on the next video.